Hello Rasikas. I'm very happy to meet you again through Arangam. Again on a very special day, the 98th birthday of the Maestro Sri Balamurali Krishna. Today, I would like to curate maybe you could say a rare playlist of his renditions. And of course, for the hardcore Balamurali Krishna fans, this could not be a rare playlist. For me, it's rare because these are the renditions which I ran into, accidentally, and it was really mind-boggling when I heard them because they were not something which were commonly available. These are something which I ran into. Then I thought, why not curate a list with such songs? In this feature, we will see 6 songs. I'll talk briefly about each of the song and then you can hear the rendition. That way, I think it would pan out probably like a radio concert, maybe a national program which runs between an hour and a half. So these renditions are basically curated in such a way that you could probably listen to them like a radio concert, a tribute concert to Sri Balamurali Krishna. So I said that this playlist will have rare renditions, but I didn't want to keep the entire playlist with literally unknown songs. So I wanted to start with a familiar song, but the rendition, I wanted to keep it rare enough. So what's rare about this rendition and what song is this? The first song that we are talking about is the famous Vatapi Ganapatim Bhaje of Muthuswami Dikshit. There are many renditions, of course, even by Balamurali Krishna's, which are available in various platforms that are really famous. But what is special about this particular rendition is it is from the 1964 Music Academy concert with Sri M.S. Gopalakrishnan on the violin and C.S. Murugabhupati on the mridangam and Vilvadri Iyer on the ghattam. So sometimes, if I take a cricket analogy, right, I'm reminded of a game between India and England, which was held recently in Pune. I think England batted first and they had scored over 350 runs. But the moment Virat Kohli walked into the field, you felt, the first stroke, you just see him and you just feel like even if England had scored 450 runs or 500 runs, it's not going to matter. The way this man was middling the ball, it seemed like any target wasn't safe at all. These things happen once even for greats, there are really, really sweet spots. This is one such concert. You just have to listen to Vatapi Ganapatim is the second song after the Varnam in this concert. You just have to listen to it, and the way he hits the strides, right from the word go, you know that this concert is going to be phenomenal. This is probably is going to be one of the greatest ever recordings we are going to possess of the Maestro, or even one of the greatest recordings that we have of Carnatic music. The way the accompaniments have raised the bar and helped to elevate the concert, it's also mind-boggling. Just the second song in the concert, it runs for over 20 minutes, and the feel you get after you finish listening to this song, you feel like as if you have already, in Tamil சொன்னா கொடுத்த காசுக்கு எல்லாம் முடிஞ்சு போச்சு அப்படின்னு போலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்ற that kind of a feel you get, So please listen to this Vatapi Ganapatim from this great concert from 1964.
Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajegam Vatapi Ganapatim Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajegam Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajegam Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajegam Vatapi Ganapatim प्रणव स्वरूप वक्रतुण्डम् ध्यात्मकं वाकृतूर्णं निरन्तरं निटिलचन्द्रदण्डं निजवामकरविद्युतेषु खण्डं निरन्तरं निटिलचन्द्रदण्डं निजवामकरविद्युतेषु खण्डं करम्बुजपैतबीजापूरं कलुषविदूरं भूदागारं करम्बुजपैतबीजापूरं कलुषविदूरम् अनादि गुरुगुहदोधिरबिम्बं हंसध्वनिभूषितयेनौमम् अनादि गुरुगुहदोधिरबिम्बं हंसध्वनिभूषितयेनौमं गपगवनि बगरि गदरि गरि धनि गरि धनि पनि धनि धनि पगवनि बगरि गदरि गरि धनि गरि धनि पनि धनि धनि पगवनि बनि धनि गरि धनि धनि पगद पवगरि धनि पवनि धनि गपगवनि बगरि गदरि गरि धनि पनि धनि धनि Bari bari dari gari dari dari bagada baba gari dari baba dari baba we gana baji bazanda chawara pero bada we gana baji agum Rizani ri niga upasani ri nizani vada vigana vasim vaje ga 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 re zani re ga pa ga pa re ga sa re ni re ga pa re ni ga re ni re pa sa ni pa ga ni pa ga ni pa ga re ga re Dani ri ga ga sa ri ga 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 sa ri ga 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 sa ri ba ta vi ga na ba ju ba ju Gavani bagari gavagari gada rigari dani ri gagari dari ga bagadari gaba ni bagabani da ani bagari ga sani bagari ga sani bagari ba da bigana basim baji Nigari ni bani bada nigari da ni nigari bagari ni baga bada ni bari ni da ni bagari da ni baga bani da ni da ni bagari da ni baga bani da ni da ni da ni baga bani da bari da ni bagari da ni bani da bari da gabani ni gabani ni bada bigana basim baji Gavariga பபக பனிபக சனிபக பகரிக பகரிக ரிதரிக கக ரிகரிதனி ரே சரிதனி பகவத நிரிதனி பரி ரிகரிதரி கக பகரிதனி ரே ரிகரிதனி ரிகரிதனி கரி 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 தரி கரி தரி தரி பகரி கரி தத தனி தரி கரி தனி தரி கரி தனி கரி நி பனி ரிக பகரி நி பனி ரிக பகரி நி ரிக பனி நி பகரி தனி ரிக பனி பவதனி பவரி பவதனி பவக பகரி தனி பவ பகரி தனி பக பகரி தனி பக பரி தனி பரி பரி தனி பசமசனி பகரி தனி தரி க பனி தரி கரி தனி க பகரி தனி தரி க சரி க Nisa Gabani Niridani Dani Paridani Dani Paridani Dani Niridani Ridani Dani Niridani Badani Banida Panidani Ganidani Dani Dani Gagari Dani Banidani Dani Bagabani Dani Bagabani Bagari Gabagari Dani Gagari Bagari Dani Bagari Dani Bagari Dani Bagari Dani Dani Bagari Dani Gani Dani Bagari Dani Bagari Dani Gari bagani badani ri gari bagani dani bagabani dari ni dari dani bani dari dani bani dari dani bani gap bagari dani bagari dari gari ga bagari dari ga bani gap ni dari dani bani ri badani gari dani bagabani dari dani bagari gap bagari dari Nini bagabani ni bagabani ni bagari ni dari gabani ni gabani dani gari dani bani bani ri dani bagabar gab bagari dani ga Sari dani badani ri dani gadani ri dani dadani ri dani gadani ri dani ri dani ri dani badani bani bagabagari gari dari dani dari ga Ridari ridari bari dari gari dari dani bagabani dari dani dani bani dari dani bani gabare gari dani dani Nini bagari dani dani bagari dari dani bagari dani bagari dari gari Bagabari gari bagari dani bagari dani riga bagari dani Dani bani bagabani ni bagabani dani bani bagari dani Sagari dani bani dani ri dani bani bani bagari dani Gari dani bagabani dani ni dani gani bagari dani Dani gani dani bagari bagari dani Gari baba gari ni bada dani ri dani bagari dani bagari dani பாணி பகரி கனி பகரி தனி பகரிகள் சரி கனி பனி கனி பனி நிரி பனி பனி தனி பகரி தனி பகரி தனி பனி தனி தானி பனி பகரி தனி தனி பனி பகரி தனி கபகரி தனி தனி கபகரி தனி ரிக நினி பபனி நிகரி நி பபகரி க நிதகரி பகரி பதனி பகரி தனி க ககரி தனி பகரி தனி பகரி தனி க கபகரி தனி கபகரி தனி க கரி ரி தனி பகரி ரி தனி பக சாரி நித பனி கபகரி தனி க சரி தனி பனி நி பகரி சரிக தனி பகரிக கனி பகரிக தனி பக தனி பக தனி பனி பக கபனி தனி பக கபனி தனி பக கபகரி பனி பக தனி பக கரி தனி பக ககரி தனி பக கரி தனி பக கதி தனி பக கரி தனி பக பனி பக பனி பக பனி பக பக நி பக தனி பக பனி பக பனி பக பனி பரி பனி பக பகரி கரி கரி பக பனி பக பனி நி பக தனி பக பனி தனி தனி பக பனி தனி நிகரி தனி நிகரி தனி 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 பகனி தனி பகரி தனி கபனி தனி பகரி தனி பகரி தனி தனி கபனி தனி நிகரி தனி தனி பனி தனி நிகரி தனி தனி கரி தனி 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 பனி தனி நிகரி நி பனி நிகரி தனி கபனி நிகரி தனி கரி கபனி நிகரி நிகரி பனி பக பகரி கரி தனி 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 பகரி கரி பக பனி பனி தனி தனி பகரி தனி தனி பனி தனி பனி தனி கபனி தனி கபனி தனி பனி கபனி தனி நிகரி தனி கரி தனி பக பனி தனி நிரி தனி பக பனி தனி தனி பக பனி தனி அதி ரி தனி தனி கரி தனி தனி பக தனி பகரி ரி தனி தனி நீ பக ரி தனி பக தனி பகரி நீ பகரி கரி நீ பனி கரி தனி 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 பக மகரி தனி வாத வீரன பாடல் விகனபசும்பதே அரும்.
That was a combination, a great combination of Vidwan Balamurali Krishna, Muthuswami Dikshitar, and the Music Academy. Now let me add a couple of more things to this already heady mix. Let's add a Vivadi Raga and Sri Balamurali Krishna's own composition into this mix, and what a cocktail that could become. That is what we have in this Raga Sucharitra, a song composed by Sri Balamurali Krishna in praise of Muthuswami Dikshitar. I'm guessing, of course I'm not sure, but I'm guessing this was probably composed on the special occasion of the bicentennial year of Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar. It was in that year that all the artists who sang at the Music Academy had predominantly filled their song list with Dikshitar songs. And here was a song, not a Dikshitar composition, but a song in praise of Dikshitar, but composed in the true style of Muthuswami Dikshitar. I mean, you can take any element of it, the way the prasas are, or the musical content, the way the content, the lyrical content is arranged, or even, the way how it starts as Vilambakalam, and then there are Madhyamakala phrases, and also the beautiful Yati patterns. The Raga Mudra is embedded beautifully in it. All of it makes a wonderful tribute in true Dikshitar style, in a beautiful, lovely Vivadi Raga, what I call as a double Vivadi Raga. Let's enjoy it.
चिन्तयामि सन्ततं श्री मुत्तुस्वामि दीक्षितं चिन्तयामि सन्ततं श्री मुत्तुस्वामि दीक्षितं चिन्तयामि सन्ततं श्री मुत्तुस्वामि दीक्षितं चिन्तयामि सन्ततम् अंतकारी सूत मंत्रोपासना तत्परं अंतकारी सूत मंत्रोपासना तत्परं आनंदामृत वर्षण कारकं वरं अंतकारी सूत मंत्रोपासन तत्परं आनन्दामृत वर्षणकारकं वरं अपार रागलयाभिज्ञौ रामस्वामी सुपुत्रं परम पवित्रं सुचरित्रं चिन्तयामि सततं श्री मुत्तुस्वामी दीक्षितम् अपार रागलयाभिज्ञौ रामस्वामी सुपुत्रं परम पवित्रं सुचरित्रं चिन्तयामि सततं श्री मुत्तुस्वामी दीक्षितं चिन्तयामि सततं अपूर्व पञ्चलिंग नवावरणादि दैव परकृति कर्तारौ मुरलीरवहितम् अपूर्व पञ्चलिंग नवावरणादि दैव परकृति कर्तारं मुरलीरवहितं निपुणं गान निपुणं देशीय गान निपुणं मार्गदेशीय गान निपुणं चिन्तयामि सततं श्री मुत्तुस्वामी दीक्षितं निपुणं गान निपुणं देशीय गान निपुणं मार्गदेशीय गान निपुणं चिन्तयामि सततं श्री मुत्तुस्वामी दीक्षितं चिन्तयामि सततं रे सरे गम चिन्तयामि पद नि सरि नि रे स नि द प नि द प म चिन्तयामि गम पद द प म गम पद नि नि द द प म गम पद नि स नि नि द द प म चिन्तयामि पम ग ग रि रि स स नि नि द द प प म म प द ध नि नि स रि ग ग म प द द प म प द नि स रि 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 स नि द प द प म ग रि स रि ग म प द नि स नि द प म स रि ग म प द नि स नि द प म स रि ग म प द नि स नि द प म चिन्तयामि सततं श्री मुत्तुस्वामी दीक्षितं चिन्तयामि सततं श्री मुत्तुस्वामी दीक्षितं चिन्तयामि
From Dikshitar, now let's move on to Tyagaraja. There are so many wonderful renditions which are available. The songs of Tyagaraja which are rendered by Vidwan Balamurali Krishna. I mean, we can keep talking on and on about it. So many songs that are really famous. For example, the Sundarini Divya Rupamu in Kalyani, or the Nagumo. And I mean, if you start listing it, the list is going to be endless, or even the Pancharatna Kritis and stuff like that. One song I would like to particularly feature today is, I think it's a fairly rare song in Ragam Begada. I ran into this song through the blog of Vidwan Sanjay Subramaniam, where he had basically talked about an album that he had released that was filled with songs of Tyagaraja. There he talks about this particular song, Sami Kisari Jappachade, in Begada. Of course, I've heard this song before, but then in this particular album, he mentions his source of the Patantram. He says that he pretty much modeled his rendition around the rendition of Balamurali Krishna. And he also mentioned that he had discussed about this particular version with Professor N. Ramanathan, and he had vouched that this particular version is pretty much in sync with the old notation that he had possessed from the 1940s. So what's special about this particular rendition? So the usual rendition of Sami Kisari is pretty much in the mold of the other famous song in this raga, Anudinamulu Kavumaya. It almost looks like, both songs are set in the same framework. But this particular rendition beautifully starts from the upper Shadja, and it conveys a totally different mood and the feel of Begada. And the moment I heard this particular rendition of Balamurali Krishna, I could never go back and listen to the other version at all. Not that the other version wasn't beautiful, but this was a totally elevating experience for me. So I thought I should share that with you today.
Sami Kisari Jappachade, Sami Kisari Jappachade, Sami Kisari Jappachade, Velpula Rama 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 Sami Kisari Jappachade. Na manasu na manasu na manasu na manasu na manasu atanipai na manasu atanipai naagiyundanurule na manasu atanipai naagiyundanurule Sami Kisari Jappachade, Velpula Rama Sami Kisari Jappachade. ఏటికి యోచనలు చాలు ఎవరి గెటులో వ్రాలు ఏటికి యోచనలు చాలు ఎవరికెటులో వ్రాలు మాటలాడుట మేలు మాటలాడుట మేలు మనకిదే 10,000 మాటలాడుట మేలు మనకిదే 10,000 సామికి సరిగే పట్టాల వేల్పుల రామ సామికి సరిగే పట్టాల అల్ని వేల్పులలోన అతనికి సరిగాన అల్ని వేల్పులలోన అతనికి సరిగాన అల్ని వేల్పులలోన అతనికి సరిగాన తల్లు బ్రోచిన గన త్యాగరాజ సకుడైన తల్లు బ్రోచిన గన త్యాగరాజ సకుడైన సామికి సరిగే పట్టాల వేల్పుల రామ సామికి సరిగే పట్టాల వేల్పుల రామ సామికి.
The next song that I would like to present is a Tamil song, which is again a composition of Vidwan Balamurali Krishna. In my opinion, having done some research on these grounds, I feel like Balamurali Krishna has contributed to Tamil music, both as a performer as well as a composer, immensely, if not more, as good as any other Vidwan who is actually born and brought up in Tamil Nadu. His compositions, especially the ones in Tamil, are, you never feel like it is somebody who, especially if you have heard Sri Balamurali Krishna speak in Tamil, you feel like, he has just come from Andhra and he is yet to settle in Tamil Nadu, right? The way he speaks or he pronounces the Tamil words. But if you look at his compositions, they are totally different. The kind of things he talks about, the lyrical content in it, and how it beautifully fits in. There is no such discordance in his songs at all. So I would like to present a very special song. This song, there are also people who ask about, whether Carnatic music is only in praise of some god or the other. But there are also other themes. In this particular case, the theme is music itself. And how beautifully he coins the musical elements in this Raga Ananda Bhairavi. The song is Isayil Sangadikal Pala Undu. There is already a pun in the word Sangadikal. There are of course Sangatis, what we mean as the musical variation, right? And Sangati is also the content, right? So, and then he goes on to beautifully express the words in a most melodic way in his composition. For example, he chooses the Achala Swaras, the Shatcham and Panchamam, to depict the words Asayadanavilum Innisai Undu. If you listen to the words, how he sings these words, he renders it in the completely plain notes of Shatcha and Panchama. And then he uses the beautiful gamakams of Ananda Bhairavi when it comes to the lyrics, when it comes to the words Asaiva. So how beautifully the lyric and the music blends is a total bliss. And I would like to point out that it is not only this, it is Balamurali Krishna who took special effort to render Tirupavai in an Andhra radio station. And not just that, he also took an effort for somebody to translate it into Telugu, where he paired with the great Vidushi Srirangam Gopal Ratnam. And that rendition of both Sri Balamurali Krishna and Srirangam Gopal Ratnam singing the Tirupavai became such a big hit that they even featured it in the radio stations of Tamil Nadu. And he has sung beautiful Devarams. And I've also read that, he has even rendered the songs like Orunal Poduma in his concerts, which are outside of Tamil Nadu. And when somebody had asked it, when I sing a Telugu song in Tamil Nadu, nobody questions. They just listen because the music is good. How does it matter whether that song is in Telugu or Tamil? If the music is good, why don't you be open and listen to it? And he has challenged, and he has even tried to popularize some of the Tamil songs in places outside Tamil Nadu as well. Now let's listen to the song.
இசையில் சங்கதிகள் மிக உண்டு. 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 இசையில் சங்கதிகள் மிக உண்டதில் இசைந்து கலந்தால் சத்கதியுண்டு. இசையில் சங்கதிகள் மிக உண்டதில் இசைந்து கலந்தால் சத்கதியுண்டு. இசையில் சங்கதிகள் மிக உள்ளதில் இசைந்து கலந்தால் சத்கதியுண்டு. இசையில் சங்கதிகள் மிக உண்டு. ஆசையாத நிலையிலும் அசையாத நவிலும் இன்னிசையோடு அசையாத நவிலும் இன்னிசையோடு அசையாத நவிலும் இன்னிசையோடு அசையாத நவிலும் இன்னிசையோடு அசைவுதனை கொண்டு மெளிரும் இன்னிசை அசைவுதனை கொண்டு வெளிரும் இசையே அசையாத நவிலும் இன்னிசையோடு அசைவுதனை கொண்டு வெளிரும் இசையே அசைவுதனை கொண்டு வெளிரும் இசையே அசைவுதனை கொண்டு வெளிரும் இசையே இசையோ சங்கதிகள் மிகவுண்டு பசிதனை மறக்கச் செய்வது இசையே பசிதனை மறக்கச் செய்வது இசையே பிணிதலை தீர்ப்பதும் இசையே பசிதனை மறக்கச் செய்வது இசையே பிணிதலை தீர்ப்பதும் இசையே பசேலன பயிர் வளரும் இசையிலே பசேலன பயிர் வளரும் இசையிலே அச்சம் நீக்கிடும் அம்சம் இசையே அச்சம் நீக்கிடும் அம்சம் இசையே அச்சம் நீக்கிடும் முரளின் இசையே அச்சம் நீக்கிடும் முரளின் இசையே இசையின் சங்கதிகள் மிகவும் நது இசைந்து கலந்தா சத்கதியுண்டு இசையும் 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 சங்கதிகள் மிகவுண்டு for the first time.
Now we have come to the point where we have to choose a main raga for this concert. Now that our theme is something unusual, so we cannot go for the big five, as they say. We cannot choose a Todi, Bhairavi, Kalyani, Kamboji, Kararapriya. Of course, we could choose something like a Lavangi or a Mahati, but then that is also not rare, because when it comes to a case of Vidwan Balamurali Krishna, those songs or those ragas are also something which we could guess. So this is where I went to this wonderful YouTube channel we have, run by Sri Srinivasa Murthy. In the last couple of years, we have been having some phenomenal recordings being made available to public with with accompanying notes, that we appreciation notes as well. I would recommend each and every Rasika to go to this channel and look for this treasure. I'm sure you wouldn't be disappointed. Coming back, the choice I made today is the Raga Bahudari. Of course, it's a famous raga, but not a real choice for a main raga in a concert. In this particular concert, it's almost like a full bench concert, which sees Purnachandar on the violin, Sri Madurai T. Srinivasan on the Mridangam, Sri V. Nagarajan on the Kanjira, and Sri Palghat Sundaram on the Ghattam. He chooses Bahudari and renders his own composition in it. The raga already has so much of lilt, but the way he uses his voice range, he uses the perfection on making sure that each and every note glitters and shines through. The way he basically, makes sure that we get completely floored by that full 3-octave range of coverage in this Raga Alapana is something you need to hear and believe it. And the phenomenal renditions in this raga has been probably, everybody would look back to the Madurai Mani Iyer's rendition of Bro Barama that became so famous. The Kalpana Swaras in this particular rendition are truly in the Sarvalagu mode, as if they were a tribute to that great maestro. And it's also followed by a wonderful, short but sweet Tanyavartanam by this group. Let's enjoy this.
na ஹரி కమలదళాయదలోచనములవే 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 కర్మలనల్ల కనిపెట్టునవే కమలదళాయదలోచనములవే కర్మలనల్ల కనిపెట్టునవే కమలదళాయదలోచనములవే కర్మలనల్ల కనిపెట్టునవే కమలదళాయదలోచనములవే కర్మలనల్ల కనిపెట్టునవే కమలదళాయదలోచనములవే సమరస భావనా సమరస భావనా సమరస భావనా సమరస భావనా సమరస భావన సమతా జీవన సమరస భావన సమతా జీవన సమరస భావన సమతా జీవన కమనీయ గాన కవిత ప్రదమో సమరస భావన కమనీయ గాన కవిత ప్రదమో సమరస భావన సమతా జీవన కమనీయ గాన కవిత ప్రదమో సమరస భావన సమతా జీవన కమనీయ గాన కవిత ప్రదమో కమలదళాయదలోచనములవే కర్మలనల్ల కనిపెట్టునవే కమలదళాయదలోచనములవే సమ్మతముల స్వచ్ఛ రూపమై అసమ్మతముల అరుణ రూపమై 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 ఇమ్మకి ದಿನಕರ இம்மகி தினகர யூது ரூபமை இம்மகி தினகர யூது ரூபமை சௌமோகன முரளி கான வசமோ இம்மகி தினகர யூது ரூபமை சௌமோகன முரளி கான வசமோ இம்மகி தினகர யூது ரூபமை சௌமோகன முரளி கான வசமோ கமலதளாயத லோಚನ ಮುಲವೇ கர்மலல கனிపెట్టునవే கமலதளாயத லோச்சன முலவே கமக மகச நிகச பமகச கமலதளாயத கம பதனி பதனி கம பமகச கமலதளாயத மகச பமகச நிப மகச சனிப மகச கமலதளாயத பதனி பவ மம மகனி மகனி மக மபதனி நிசக மக மபதனி பக மபதனி ச நிபதனி சக மக சனி சக சக நித நிதி பவ பவ மகச கமலதளாயத Gama ga gama ga gama ga gama ga gama ga sa ga ni sa ga ga gama ga sa ga sa ba ma ga sa ga ma ba da ni ba ma ga ma ga sa 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 ni sa 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 ni sa ni ba da ni ba ma ma pa ni ba ba ga Gaza maga ba ma ni ba da ni sa ga ma ba ma ga ni da ma 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 ga ni ni ba pa ma ga ga ma pa ma pa da ni pa ma pa ma ga ni pa ma ga pa da ni sa ga ma pa da ni sa ga ma pa da ni ba ma ga ni ba ma sa ga ma ga mabaga mabaga maga ma gazaga ganiga maga gani sa padani saga saga maba maga gama maga 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 gama padani sa ni maga saga maga Gama badani saga ni badani baga maga ma pa maga maga gazani saga gapadani saga gama badani saga gama badani saga mama ga papa ma dani ma ma pa ma gama ga maga sa gani sa 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 gani sa magani sa pa maga sa ga 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 sa mama maga pa 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 ma pa da ni sa ni sa sa ni ba பம மக கச ச க ச க ச க ச க ச க பம மக ச நி ச க ம ப பம க ம ப நி ச நி ப ப க ம ப ர நி நி ப ர நி நி ம ப ர நி நி க ம க நி ச நி க ம க நி க நி க நி ப ப க ம ம ப ம ப ம ப ர நி ப ப ம க ம ப ர நி க ம ப ர நி த ம க க நி ப ர நி த க ம ம ம க ச ப ம க ச ப ம நி ப ம க நி ம க ம ம க ச க க க க நி ப ம க ப ம நி ப ர நி க ம ப த நி த த நி 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 ப ப ம ம க க ச நி த க ம ப ர நி த க ம க ச நி ப ர நி த ச நி ப ம க ச க ம ப த நி ச நி ப ம க ச க ம ப த நி ச நி ப ம க ச க ம ல த ಳ ಯ ದ ಲೋಚನ ಬುಲವೇ ಕರ್ಮಲನೆಲ್ಲ ಕನಿಬೆಳ್ದುನವೇ ಕಮಲದಳ ಎದ್ದ ಲೋಚನ ಮೂಲವೇ
Now we have come to the end of this curated podcast or this relay. We have had songs either in praise or composed by Dikshitar and Tyagaraja. But then so far we have not talked about Shyama Shastri, the third person in the Trinity. I would like to end this particular podcast by featuring a Viruttam or a Shlokam composed by Balamurali Krishna himself in the praise of the great composer Shyama Shastri. Thank you all for listening.
ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ ಕುಲದೇವಾಯ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಜ್ಞಾನ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣೇ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ ಕುಲದೀಪಾಯ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಜ್ಞಾನ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣೇ ದೇವಿ ಧ್ಯಾನ ನಿಮಗ್ನಾಯ ಶ್ಯಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಮಂಗಳಂ ವಾಗೇಯಕಾರವರಾಯ ಅಂಗೀಕೃತ ತ್ರಿಮೂರ್ತಿಯುಣೇ ವಾಗ್ಯೇಯಕಾರವರಾಯ ಅಂಗೀಕೃತ ತ್ರಿಮೂರ್ತಿನೇ ಮುರಳೀಗಾನಲೋ